Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you this gorgeous hairstyle. Just kidding. No, but actually, yeah, I am showing you this hairstyle. I was styling my hair like this like months ago, and I was like really liking it, and somehow, I don't know how, I forgot how I did my hair like this. And I was trying to figure it out, and for the life of me, I just could not get it. And I know, that's super embarrassing. I couldn't get it, and finally, recently, I figured it out again, and I'm like, I better put up a tutorial before I myself forget how to get my hair like this. So not only is this for me, but it's also for you if you guys want to know how to do your hair super fast and just like really easy. And I think that this is like a really doable hairstyle. Like, it's just super simple, effortless. All you need is a wand and a flat iron, and you're good to go. Anyways, let's get right into this tutorial. This is my fresh washed hair. I washed my hair this morning and basically just let it air dry. I've just sprayed a little bit of product in it, just like detangler, nothing crazy. I don't like a lot of product in my hair because for me, it just will weigh it down and make it greasy faster, and I'm not about that. I like to keep my washes as long as possible. So anyways, this is just fresh washed, air dried hair. One of the only products I use, I actually only use like 3 products, but when I do this hairstyle in particular, I like to use Good Behavior from IGK. Basically, it's like a smoothing spray, like a keratin spray. It won't straighten your hair for good like keratin does. It just like makes your hair really sleek. I usually spray this in sections, but when I do this hairstyle, it's super fast, super easy. I just kind of bring it through all of it, especially through the ends. So I'm gonna start with a flat iron, and then I'm gonna go in with a wand. This flat iron is from Sleek, and I think it's just like an inch, just like a standard straightener will be fine. Honestly, don't need anything fancy. Next thing I'm gonna do is just separate the hair about like half of it, like the bulk of it, which is like from here and up. Anyways, I like to just kind of like run this through my hair quickly. I'm not giving it like a legit flat iron, like it doesn't have to be straight, but this just takes away a lot of my frizz and just kind of like tames the hair down. I especially focus it towards the root because that's where frizz will build up for me. I don't know if that happens to you. This is like super quick for me. It usually takes like 3 to 5 minutes of just kind of going over this. You can brush your hair out if your hair needs it. Okay, so as you can see, it's not super straight. I didn't like burn it. I just went really quickly through with the flat iron to give it a little bit of a sleekness to it, but not super sleek. So you don't need to take your time. That's why I purposefully only did 2 parts in my hair, just one and then the second, because I purposefully didn't want it to be too straight. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Step 1 complete. We're doing good here. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't really straighten these pieces as much as I straightened the rest of my hair, and that's because these are the pieces that I'm gonna focus on giving the wave to. So now that my wand is heated up, this is also from Sleek, I'm just gonna use this wand to get some soft waves. So I'm just gonna start by going in a backwards, flat direction. As you can see, my hair was kept flat that entire time that I did it, and then I'm just gonna let it go pretty much immediately. I actually probably held it too long. And then comb it out with your hands, and that's the result. But don't worry, this is just so fresh that it will actually lay flatter, but since it's so fresh, it's still curly, if you know what I mean, but it will lay flatter. All right, so anyways, I'm just going to continue to do some of the front pieces just really quickly. That one, and then I usually like to get the one that comes right out from under my ear, and I'll just do it at a lower place. I won't take it up the whole way. Just remember to keep the strand flat on the iron because that actually does make a difference. And then I'll add maybe one right here, only towards the end though, and just really lightly. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take all of the end and just do one curl around, just like that, and then let it go. Oh my god, my hair is getting so long that you can't even see it in a mirror unless you're in a full-length mirror. It's very frustrating. So I keep like having to go up and down because I need to be able to see the ends and the bottoms and the tops, I mean. All right, now I'm just going to repeat the same process on this side. I'm just gonna take this piece right here and give it a curl. Nice flat curl. Let her go. My short pieces, I usually just give one roundabout like that. And it creates a nice frame for the face, like just right in there. I hope you guys can see, my hair's so dark. So yeah, this is all the curl that I added to my hair. Literally like less than 5 minutes, so easy. Then once the curls are in, I grabbed some hair oil. This is from Way. Whoa, that was way too much. Just take one scoop, one spray, or one, why can I not speak? And then just through the bottoms mostly, I just comb my fingers through, just like that. You don't want to take it too high up because you don't want your hair to look greasy or oily. But this really is what puts the finishing touch on this style. And now when you're done, you just have like this really cute, beachy, wavy hair that looks really effortless. And the best thing about this hairstyle, I swear, is that it sleeps really well, for me at least. Like I can sleep on this hairstyle and then wake up and it's fine. I can even put my hair up in a ponytail and then take it down and it's still fine. Like it wears really, really well for me. Like one time I style this and it lasts me like 2 days without any touch-ups. So I would say that's pretty good for me at least. This is like my new favorite hairstyle. I feel like it's just really, really cute and effortless looking, and it is pretty effortless. That's what I like about it. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. Let me know if you want to try it out. Let me know if it worked for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.